Hi guys, so welcome to the next episode of the cloth making. Go to layout again and save your project also. It's important. So we will click the slash key again. Now we will create some more detail in the cloth. Now we'll go over here. Let's do it by click and taking a cube and scale it down like this way. Now we'll just move it like this way and just go into edit mode, go into wireframe mode, just click this one and X and delete faces. Also, we don't need this one, the faces, this face we don't need it actually. Now mesh looks like this. Okay, now we'll go to here in the modifier and add a subdivision modifier and sorry, and also go for solidify and do the solidifying things, and I want to move the solidify modifier to the top. Then I want to move it like this way and scale it in the x-axis like this way and sy and this way. Now click all and rotation scale and just adjusting the this one the thickness of the solidify modifier like this way. Now we just go into edit mode again and select the edges by clicking here and selecting edges and just move it like this way. Now it's made. What we see in the pants, it's not proper in line, so we'll make it in line. Just go in the edge mode and select this alt and select and SZ0 by this, and this I'll go and smooth for now, and yeah, move it like this way. And for now maybe put it for now this way as y, make it scale it up like this way, and yes for now, and make the thickness more less for now. What will happen here, it's some making weird shapes. Now you just do that control R and do this way, but I prefer selecting this and this, then by pressing N like this and go in the item, and here is the main crease, and we will crease it like to the this one also need to select actually, and this select this thing all, then crease it like this one, like I just 0.069 I put it over there, and we will just do this, press or apply the all modifiers, like I'll go over here and apply it, or just do the all, apply the all modifiers like this. Now we'll go to edit mode again, go to face mode and select these faces which we don't need it, or just delete these faces. Okay, so we'll make this much and select all, like pressing A and decrease the crease layer, because we don't need this thing for now. What we'll do, Control A and Alt transformation. Now what happened actually, our pivot point goes to the middle of it, like in the center. Now what we'll do, go in modifier and just do the mirror modify and go to edit mode. Go in the top option by clicking number 7, and we have to adjust this thing. Also sorry about the noises, and just this thing should be if yeah, we need to do it properly from the top view. It's really help us to do this thing properly this way. Now this is made after we do the micro detailing things. When we'll do it, just we'll do this thing. Now we'll select everything together. Go in the UV editing tab and click slash key again to separate this thing. Now go to edge mode and alt and click this one like this way. Okay, and just doing this. Now you see some this thing is not properly do it there, and we'll just adjust this thing and select everything, you and unwrap it, and just selecting everything again, R control, just move it like this way, press it this way. Okay, so one thing I noticed is if I divide it from here, it will be better for us for easy unwrapping. So just do this thing, just alt and click and do this thing and control E and merge it and select again alt and E and unwrap again. Now I think it's proper and better or easy. So now we just have to adjust this thing by pressing going over here and click on one and just press L to select in properly. So you just adjust it by R, pressing R. Okay, you have to adjust it this way. L and R and sorry, I just click H instead of a G. I just have to press G. Okay, G press and do it like this way. Same thing we'll do over here. Over here, I just going to R, rotate it and put it over this way. Now this thing have to rotate again, R, rotate this way. So actual thing is you need to again and again verify everything is proper or not, and that's why you do that 3D and press the slash key. Now it's proper. Now again we go to sculpting mode and G, move it outside the t-shirt. Okay, right. So now our pant is ready enough, I think. Yeah, now pressing the slash key, let's come again. Now we'll do the shirt making and let's do it. Now we just need a reference of the human again. Now we just go over here and select the human actually and unhide this human. And what we'll do now, we'll just do the duplicating thing. I want to adjust the pant also a bit more, so let's do the adjustment of the pant also bit. Okay, so everything is good enough, I think now. Oh, I don't want to do that because the leg is very close, so yeah, it's okay for now. So now, yeah, let's do the shirt, but let's do it from the next episode of the video tutorial of making clothes in Blender. Let's do it in the next episode. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.